Good morning to you guys, and today I'm gonna show you a super cool game, very easy to do. It's called Skibidi Toilet. Let me start. And we have camera, it follows our mouse pointer, it goes everywhere, and we have skibidi heads that pop out of the toilet. And you see, we have also this meter, and it counts how many times we touched Skibidi's head. Like here, 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 every time I touch. And my meter is going up, up, up. And it also says we almost did it. That's a game. So let me show you how what to do and how to do this game. First of all, we need a head like this one. That's a head from the toy, Skibidi Toilet toy. And we have a few of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, we have camera, and camera always goes to the mouse pointer. We also have these hiding things. Let me just move it away. You see, all the skibidis are hiding behind those blocks. You see? So there are 2 of them. They are just layered on top, and when skibidi goes, it goes under those layers. And we have a meter timer, and we have arrow for this timer. You see, like this, like this, like this. We have a score. So let's go to the code. When green flag clicked, hide forever, wait, and pick random from 0.1 to 10 seconds. So it will choose randomly time, and then show, glide 1 second where it's supposed to go, wait half a second, and glide back. Very easy. All of the skibidi heads, they have the same code. They just go up and down, up and down. That's it. So the next one is this camera. Let me zoom out. And camera always goes to mouse pointer. It also goes to the front layer. It always on top. And it switches itself from left to right. If X position is more than 0, it switches to camera 0, 2. If X position is less than 0, it switches camera to 0, 3. Okay, if it touches skibidi, change score by 1 and broadcast score. And it's the same for every skibidi. If it touches 1 skibidi, if it touches 2nd skibidi, 3rd skibidi, and 4th skibidi, it changes the score. So every time I go with my camera, it switches, it changes the score. And timer. Okay, when green flag click, point in direction. And when I receive score 1, so when I receive the message, I turn. Every time I score, I turn a little bit. Set score to 0 when the game starts. Forever, if touching color, if touching certain color is actually out here as this little dot, it says keep working. If touching green color, it says you almost did it. If touching red color, which is the last one, broadcast the winner. Broadcast the winner message. Okay, that's pretty much it. The main key, the main thingy about this game is about hiding things. You just make them erase and you cover, and your skibidi just pop out, and it looks very realistic.